Is this not the new era of the WWE? I have headlined Tokyo Dome in front of 60,000 people. I have been a champion all over the world. AJ Styles is a winner. I am the elite. I am the greatest. I am the phenomenal AJ Styles.
My son, you're old enough now. My father's spear holds a certain burden, but you're ready. It carries with it a long line of power. Leonidas. He was Sparta's last true hero. The same blood courses through your veins, but it isn't enough to make you unite the people of Greece. For that, you will need courage.
For Sparta!
Cunning. Compassion.
Approaching the drop zone.
Locked and loaded.
Good to go. Lighting him up.
Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
You got some money for me, boy? I've seen your name in our ledger. We got lawmen in 3 different states after us. They chased us from the west, they chased us over the mountains. Listen to me, girl. When the time comes, you gotta run and don't look back. This is over.
Who need an extra gun?
Next time, fight like you mean it.
I am ready to fight you.
The most merciful thing in the world is the inability of the human mind to correlate all its contents. We live on a placid island of ignorance in the midst of black seas of infinity, and it was not meant that we should voyage